Hi students, in today's class we will move forward to OGIVE. What is OGIVE? OGIVE is graphical presentation of cumulative frequencies distribution of continuous series. It is an alternative to find out median. Okay. OGIVE is graphical presentation of cumulative frequency distribution of continuous series. It is an alternative of finding median value. Here in OGIVE we won't use formula. We will directly use graphical presentation. We will use graph. On the basis of graph, we will see intersection between cumulative frequencies, that is more than and less than cumulative frequencies. The intersection will be our median value. Now I will take this problem and I will try to solve. Problem number 1. Draw the two gives from the following data and locate the median value. Marks they have given 20 to 40 till 140 to 160 they have given. Number of students 4, 6, 10, 16, 12, 7 and 3 they have given. By taking this one, I will solve OGIVE. I will solve and I will calculate median. Just I will took marks they have given. Here marks and number of students which they have given in the question. By taking this one, we will calculate our median. First, like I said, it is cumulative frequency. So it is cumulative frequency. As we know well, we have two cumulative frequencies type, that is less than and more than cumulative frequencies. First I will write less than cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Then next one is more than cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. How to arrive to this less than and more than cumulative frequency? That is our question. For arriving to this one, we have to calculate, we have to find out cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative is almost, it is equal to cumulative frequency, where first value as it is we have to write, because nothing is here. 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 16, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48 plus 7, 55, 55 plus 3, 58. Hope you understand. Cumulative frequency, it is in ascending order. 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 16, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48 plus 7, 55, 55 plus 3, 58. Whereas for more than cumulative frequency, we have to come from downwards. It is easy. 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 16, 38, 38 plus 10, 48, 48 plus 6, 54, 54 plus 4, 58. This is it. That's it. Okay, nothing is difficult. If you do this much, then your problem is over. By taking this one, and another thing, if you want to add, just add another thing here. Marks I will write here. Marks value all marks. No marks I have written here. By taking this, we have to draw graph. Take this marks as x-axis and this frequencies as y-axis, and we have to mark this less than and more than frequencies which they have given. Here we arrive to our OGIVE. This is our overview. How much? This intersection is how much? We will calculate by using median formula. ME equal L plus N divided by 2 minus CF RM, whichever you can use, divided by F into C. This is our formula. Now ME equal L, N divided by 2, median class we have to find out. N divided by 2, that is N, which is 58. If you add all this one, you will get 58. 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29. 29, where it is lying? It is lying here, this column. Take this column and consider this one as median class. This formula is not necessary if they ask this one or give, but for your reference I am telling. L, that is lower class, 80, plus N divided by 2, 29 we know, minus CF, previous cumulative frequency, that is 20, divided by frequency of median class, 16, into C. C will be our interval 20, that is 91.25. The intersection value will be 91.25. Hope you understand this session, and I also have one extra question for you. Work out at home. Just look here. Draw a graph from the following data and measure median value. Central value they have given, that is midpoint, and frequency they have given. You have to convert this one to class interval, then find more than and less than frequency, cumulative frequency, then draw the graph, and you will get and draw graph, okay, by using that one, and you will arrive to median value. Hope you understand this session. Thank you for watching. Thank you.